Okay, here we are with the Penn Fishing Rod Extreme from www.pennfishingrods.com. It's a lovely little rod, beautiful little reel. You can see it's a fully functional reel, 3-bowl bearing. That setup's got a 5-pound breaking strain. We've got a little float on there, and out here is a lovely lake that's got some lovely little rudd in it, some roach, and also some crucian carp. So we're going to see how lucky we get with this Penn Rod Extreme. Okay, it's a fully functional rod. It'll cast just as well as any full-length rod, but it'll give you such a tactile feeling. You can see how effective the rod is. It acts like a fully functional rod. It's got a lovely bend to it, lovely curve when you catch a fish. Every movement of the fish registers. You've got complete control over it. Superb little rod to use. Okay, it doesn't, like I say, it doesn't matter what size fish you get on this rod. It's so tactile and so pleasurable to catch fish. Fish of any size give you enjoyment. You can see we're a bit stuck in the weed at the moment, but you can see the bend on the rod. It's more than capable of handling these larger fish, and I think on the end of the line we should have a nice carp. A lovely crucian carp. Now the Penn Rod Extreme is more than capable of handling this size fish. Lovely crucian carp caught with the Penn Rod Extreme.